Well, it's midweek. It's not Friday Night Martini, but I had a challenge. Special request. This drink is called the Revolver. Something we're in desperate need of to get rid of this. It's 2 ounces of some bullet bourbon whiskey. And when you make a nice drink, not all martinis have to be shaken, even though I enjoy them. Get 1 ice cube. Look at that. Make a nice bally. Isn't that pretty? And you put it in a nice double. And this is great with drinks because the ice doesn't melt and dilute the drink, and you don't want that. So, 2 ounces of bullet bourbon whiskey. I'm running out. Of course, this stuff is not flying off the shelves, but if anyone knows of Bounty paper towels, that's what I'm looking for. Anyway, 1/2 ounce of a nice coffee liqueur made by our beautiful tequila company. Then 2 dashes of bitters. 1, 2. When you stir liqueur or any type of drink, use a metal spoon. It's the best. You stir it. Look at that. Doesn't that look pretty? Look at that. Yeehaw. Now there's this interesting trick. It says to squeeze a citrus skin over a flame. Let's hope I don't burn my eyebrows off here. And let's see if this works. I don't think it's going to, but squeeze it and let the essence of the flame. Nope, see, it didn't work. Oh, it did. The flame, but it didn't do anything. It's supposed to be warm. Let's try this one. No, there's some juice in here. Because it wants you to heat the skin of an orange. I did lemon, but it's not working. Let's try this again. Let's squeeze the whole lemon. And it says from the peel side. And the essence falls. Oh, it did it. I thought it would be like a big flame thing, but it flickered the flame. I thought it was called a revolver for a reason. But let's heat up the skin. You know I'm going to have to do this one over again. But look at that. The Revolver. Midweek, not even a midweek drink, but a midweek. Oh, that's good. I like that. Enjoy.